Hello everyone, I am Engineer Aniket Sood from ASMC Maths Classes, Director ASMC Chandigarh, and I am having a teaching experience of more than 12 years for teaching IIT JEE aspirants. Okay, today I am going to explain indeterminate forms in limits. What are they and how they are to be used in mathematics? Okay, so let us see. First of all, indeterminate forms in limits. If a unique value cannot be assigned to f of a, f of a means value of function f of x at x equal to a. Okay, bachcho? Then f of x is said to be indeterminate at x equal to a. Alright. So for example, if we take f of x barabar x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 at x equal to 2. One can clearly see at x equal to 2, it turns out to be 0 by 0, which is not finite, giving us some finite value or unique value. Okay. 0 by 0 itself is the very first indeterminate form in mathematics, and we need to first of all see 0 by 0. This is the very first indeterminate form. How to deal with this? This is the most general of all indeterminate forms. Okay. So explanation of 0 by 0, you can say 0 by 0 can also be thought of like if it can be thought of in two ways. If you divide some unique value, some finite value like 1 divided by 0, or you can say some 11 divided by 0. Since we know that in mathematics 11 divided by anything divided by 0 goes to infinite. Okay, this can be thought of like 0 can be thought of like 11 divided by, for example, 11 divided by 0.0001. If you just increase the 0 after the decimal, 0.000, lot of 0 and then 1 after that, we are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger value. And down the line, if it is approximately 0 in the denominator, the final answer is after division is only infinity. And on the other logic, you can say 0 divided by 11 or 0 divided by anything, that goes to 0. Due to these two things, when they are combined, like you are dividing anything by 0, that is giving infinite, and if you divide 0 by anything, that is giving you 0. So due to this dilemma, this confusion कि भैया क्या आएगा, infinite आएगा या 0 आएगा, hence mathematicians have given indeterminate form, have said that 0 by 0 is indeterminate form, because 0 को 0 से divide करेंगे, anything divided by 0 goes to infinity, और if 0 को किसी चीज से divide करेंगे तो वो 0 आता है. इन दोनों चीजों को कंबाइन करके हम कंफ्यूज है, मैथमेटिशियंस कंफ्यूज है कि it has to be 0 or infinite, so it is indeterminate form. So this is the explanation of very first basic indeterminate form. Second indeterminate form is infinity minus infinity. See, infinity, we just talked about infinity can be written as 1 upon 0, and second is also 1 upon 0. If we take the common denominator as 0, it is 1 minus 1. Okay, so this looks like 0 upon 0, and 0 upon 0 is indeterminate form, hence is infinity minus infinity. I hope that is also clear. All right. The next indeterminate form we are going to talk about is infinity upon infinity. Infinity, again, you can talk about infinity as 1 by 0, and then niche wala infinity is again 1 by 0. So one can easily see that this turns out to be 0 upon 0. If you can just cancel out 1 with 1. All right. So this 0 by 0, since 0 by 0 is indeterminate form, as we talked in the very beginning, so is infinite upon infinite, because वो क्या बन रहा है, 0 by 0 भी तो बन रहा है. ठीक है. Next indeterminate form we are going to talk about is 0 into infinite. अब 0 into infinite is infinite, so we can write 1 upon 0. So this goes like 0 upon 0 again. All right. And since 0 by 0 is indeterminate form, hence 0 into infinite is indeterminate form. Next one is a little bit tricky one. All right. So this is 1 raised to power infinity. काफी लोगों को लगता है कि 1 raised to power infinity is like 1 को infinite times multiply करते तो 1 ही तो आ जाना चाहिए. बट ये indeterminate form है, इसका फाइनाइट आंसर नहीं आता. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ा सा हम अलग तरीके से करेंगे. हम इसमें लॉगरिथम लगाएंगे, ठीक है ना. लेट हम कहेंगे y is equal to 1 raised to power infinity. If we take logarithm on both sides, then log of y, what is log of y going to be? Log of 1 raised to power infinity, and log of m raised to power n is n log n. Okay बच्चों, so this is infinite into log of. So log of 1 is everyone knows that log of 1 is 0. Okay? By the definition of logarithm, And infinite into 0, we just saw that infinite into 0 in the previously written indeterminate form. We covered that, and we just saw that that was C. It is 0 into infinity, that is indeterminate form. So 0 into infinity is indeterminate form, and hence 1 raised to power infinity is indeterminate, because log of y, if log of anything is indeterminate, then that thing, then that y has to be indeterminate. अगर log of y indeterminate form में convert हो रहा है तो y खुद में क्या हो जाएगा, indeterminate form बन जाएगा. I hope this is also clear. All right. So next is 0 raised to power 0. This can be explained much in a similar fashion like the previous one. Let's say y is equal to 0 raised to power 0. If we take logarithm, so log y is equal to log of 0 raised to power 0. So this is 0 log 0. Since we again know that log n power n is n log n. And what is log of 0? By the definition of logarithm, log of 0 is, you know that this is negative infinite. All right. If this is 0 positive, obviously log is defined on the positive side only. So this is again 0 into infinite. See, negative into 0 is 0. So this is 0 into infinite, and by the same logic we just explained the previous indeterminate form. 0 into infinite is indeterminate, and log of anything is indeterminate, then that thing has to be indeterminate. All right. So 0 raised to power 0 is also indeterminate form. The last, this is 7th indeterminate. There are only 7 indeterminate forms in mathematics. Last है बच्चों हमारे पास जो आ रही है, this is infinite raised to power 0. Okay. So infinite raised to power 0 में again हम क्या कहेंगे, y is equal to infinite raised to power 0. Again taking logarithm, so log y is equal to 0 into log of infinite. Now what is log of infinite? Log of infinity is infinity by the definition of logarithm. So this is 0 into infinite, that is log of y, and now this is indeterminate form. And hence if log of anything is indeterminate, that thing has to be obviously indeterminate, because log तो definite values पे ही defined है. Okay, finite values, unique values पे ही defined है. Then y is indeterminate. So alright, so infinite raised to power 0 is also indeterminate form. So guys, these are all the 7 indeterminate forms we just talked in this whole discussion. I hope nobody is having a doubt among these all 7 indeterminate forms, and you can always go through them. And now you must be very clear why we have this indeterminate form and why we need to get rid of these indeterminate form, because they are not giving you finite answers, ना. So इसलिए इनको avoid करना ही concept of limits है. यहाँ से chapter of limits शुरू होता है, ठीक है. So thank you very much all of you, and if you have any doubt or you want to discuss anything regarding this, you can comment in this video section, and you can obviously like, share and subscribe to our channel for getting more such awesome videos. Thank you everyone.